saw your message, and my mic was not on, so I had to fix that. Yo, what's up, Jeff the Land Shark? I now understand that reference because I watched some Marvel Rivals stuff. This is be prepared for very nerdy stuff. And 8 here, 2, 6, 7, 8. Right. I'm building this circuit, but better, because it was very messy before. And I'm building it in a cleaner way. So 1, now make it easier on myself. Have all the binary inputs right here. Yeah, I can make it easier on myself by putting every binary input right here. That. So here's the ones spot. The ones place is right here. I can just stick that, one. One will just go right there. First I should make all of the places. There's the ones place. One, two, that. My power might go up because it's raining her day off. Alright, that's fine. Hope nothing bad happens. Power outages can be horrible. So attached to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these rows. Should make it easier on myself to do all these things. I'm probably gonna hop on Rocket League in about half an hour if you want to join me. We'll do like private matches if it's still raining. Casual matches. I've just been taking a break from Rocket League lately. Work on other projects. So every other one will be the top circuit. Alright. That's fine. That works well. Also, I do know how to count, but it's different in binary. I don't know if you know binary at all. Also, what do you think of the new mic? getting all the settings set up, but I just scored an absolutely fire mic, and I think it sounds really good. All the background noise is faded out. It's really high quality. Let me know if there's anything that needs to be adjusted. I'm just kind of tired right now, that's why my voice is weird. Really gotta get an auto clicker. I had one before, but I uninstalled it because I wasn't using it. Makes this stuff so much faster though. Alright, there's all my places. Okay, so now I need two. Two should go over top. Here. Actually, I can make it easier on myself and a smaller circuit by just doing this with that and that, and then having it just run through to here. Have you played Marvel Rivals yet? No, not yet. 3 is both of them. 3 will be the bottom circuit. Ooh, you should try it out? Alright. I will, maybe. Not right this second, of course, but later. Maybe off stream, just so that I can get the... Okay, but really, why do you want me to try it out? Okay. That is 4, which is... Bam. No, it's just far 1. Get all the repeaters set up. It's fun. Alright. Is it kind of just like a PvP thing? I don't know enough about it to know what it is. There we go. It's 4. Now 5. 5 gets a little bit tricky. 5 gets a little bit tricky because 5 is 1 and 4 spot. 1, 2. Why is it activating both of those? So 2, 3 activates both because it's attached like that. So 3 needs to be like that. So that needs to be like that. So that this will go through. If it's 3, 4 is fine. 5 should not activate that. Why does that? I created a whole system for this. One work. 3. Never used redstone before. Yeah, it's very complicated. I'll probably do a show off of my plot on Synergy later. I work with some people sometimes. Very few people dabble in the art of redstone, which is understandable. It can get very complicated. I like the challenge often. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be, and then giving me a headache. Too many repeaters. 5 needs to be that, and then it needs to cross over without disrupting this value. should be working. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, turn on 4. 5, should turn on 5. Now 6. 6 will be complicated. To be clear, what I'm doing right now is I'm making a binary converter from numerics, which means we're inputting a value from 1 to 8, and it'll output the same value in binary. It is a very tedious, this part isn't hard, but it's tedious. It takes a long time, and if you mess up one wire or one transmitter, the whole thing breaks. So I need to do 6, which is bam, bam, and then center that piece, and that piece. That's 6. Make sure all of them are working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is all of them. You don't have Minecraft where you are, right, Jeff? I still can't think of referring to you as anything but D-Boy. Whoa, 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 that's an issue. Only on Xbox, alright. Why is it all of the, like, it's fine for now, but I can't be having it every single time. Like, all of these should work independently. 1, 2, 3, that works. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 should be all, it's just the last row. Perfect, I made just enough rows. Use a 9 circuit is if I'm going to values past 9, which I'm not, so I don't need any second row. 8, I'm just trying to make a storage system right now. I also need to optimize the inputs because the inputs over here were really messy. Perfect length. Travel right here, and then I can just put a repeater there. Alright, there's my 8-bit translator. So it will take, if you know anything about how binary works, it'll take a numeric input from 1 to 8 and put it into binary. It's actually pretty decently fast. I just don't know if I have tick sprinting on, right? I can stop the tick sprint and it takes a decent amount of time, which is why I keep the tick sprint constantly on. Which means that we are running at actually decent FPS still. Memory, decent memory usage. FPS zeroed. Alright, whatever. Yo, what's up, next person who joined? I'm gonna start streaming my whole building process here. I'm not gonna be recording it, but it's still fun. People can help work stuff out with me. Next step should be, I don't know, hold on, guys. In the chat, put your vote. Should I work on improving the input system? Like, I'm gonna do all these things eventually. Should I work on improving the input system or creating the memory locking circuit? The input system that I had on my old one is messy, to say the least, and everything is over here when it should have been over here, and I use a lot of unnecessary pistons and stuff. So I need to know if I should, even just D-boy, tell me if I should work on putting this into my memory allocator or work on putting this into a more acceptable interface. Input system. Alright, so for this I gotta whip out my lime, because I only ever use lime for inputs. Now probably I can actually make this super simple using a red coder. Yeah, I'll do a red coder. So instead I'll use red, and then the green system will just be how you use the red coder. So what a red coder does is it takes signal strength and turns it into individual outputs. That's basically it. So I need to take all of these values and put it into a straight line. For the red coder. Let's build ourselves a red coder. So let's see if I remember how to do this. Let me create a test model first here. So if I remember correctly, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I need an extra. For that, I need an item frame. And a comparator. So that'll already output a signal strength of 1 by default. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect amount. So this needs to if I remember correctly, hold on, I'm gonna actually check my Synergy world. You guys get to have a look around. This is my Synergy world. This is mainly doors and stuff, but this is where I have a red coder right here, and I need to remember how I did it. So I have the line, I have the lines splitting off, and then I need repeaters. One line on the bottom, one line on the top. Right. So what I just looked at there was a design for a red coder. Now, yeah, the red coder goes like this. At max, which should be right before it's at 0 again, it should, yeah, extend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then, yeah, 8. And then the same thing on top. Yeah, the red coders come in really handy when, dang it. No, damn it. I lost my second save slot. Give me a chance to redo it all. Anyway, I was meaning to redo it. I need slabs, I need dust, repeater, comparator, all the stuff that I don't usually have, and I also want magenta wool, green wool. I have comparators natively. And I just overwrote my one. Sorry, this is really confusing to watch, but I keep accidentally rewriting my, I'm gonna turn on my lights, it's probably a good idea, so that I don't keep misclicking. I need that, torch, observer natively, I need repeaters natively, I need, what else do I need natively? Should probably have lamps natively. Yeah, I need my pistons natively as well. And I'll need, what else? Observer, what else do I need? Actually, I'll probably want to target blocks natively. Yeah, there we go. The only thing that I'd ever use out of this menu for this project. Alright, red coder time. So what this does is it takes a signal strength starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Takes a 1, 2, 3. I don't think I'm going to be using a red coder for this after all, because it appears 7 values, can't it? Yeah, that is one value. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it can only have 7 values that are on, unless I can make instead a book lectern system with 8 pages. Why, huh? Is my server just lagging really hard because of the tick sprinting? Hopefully not, but probably. Quill. I need suggestions of what to write in the book. That's not how you spell 7. But I only need 8. No, I need 9. 1, 2, what? Confused. Is everything 2? That actually makes it a lot easier. That's a 1. 2 adds 1. That adds 2. That adds 2, that adds 2. And then the next one should also add 2. That actually makes stuff easier, not harder. You still there? Did I bore you too much? That should actually make it so that that's 1. I need to make it in a way that I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no. Okay, 1. So it's already at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. It's at a 9. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, that's my input system. And I can extend it as much as I want. So my input system is going to be from lecterns. Perfect. And I can just, I'll figure out how to connect it after, but I can just put that and that. Actually, that works. Yo, what's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in and drop a like, drop a sub if you're not already. Really helps support me. Alright, I'm gonna stop begging. Bam. Alright. Now, I can hit it with a... That's going to use up all the signal strength that I have. Also, if you guys are wondering about the texture pack that I'm using, I am using the Matte Bat Wings Matte Pack 1.20. It is incompatible with my version just because I'm running on 1.20.4. It's for 1.20.1, but it doesn't matter because it still works decently well. It just doesn't texture like copper bulbs and stuff. Okay, so now put a lectern with the correct book in it, and it should do 1. 2 should give that value. It's not, you know what? It's not going to be splitting the signals properly. So I need to move this all over by like 3 and then split the signals properly manually. Dang it. Alright, time to make a manual signal splitter, I guess. Wish me luck, guys. State. This is going to take a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How's everyone's day going today? Double inversion. And I can just, since I'm lazy and don't want to actually transfer the values, I'm just gonna comparators. So 1. Okay, it does, wait, it does skip. It does skip, it skips properly. Does it? Probably gonna mess up near the end since it's trying to divide the values through a 9. Right? Am I right? Am I right? Please say I'm not right. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Skips 4, 5. Yeah, the treble's only 1. Or I actually only need 8. That could be my issue, is that I only need 8 instead of 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get rid of this because it's just a 0 value. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That actually should transfer the value pretty cleanly. Which means that's on, that turns off. Which means that after 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, skipping every one. We currently have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only need 2 more, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only need 2 more. Sorry that this is really boring, by the way. I'm not great at doing commentary while I'm working, just because it requires a lot of thinking. When I'm working on something more repetitive, like the locking system, I'll be more talkative. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. That should be there. Which means 1. Oh, no. And then I guess I can probably just have a separate value for off. Yeah, that's how I can do this. Is I can just have a separate value. Like, I can literally take the book out for off. So that's 1. just barely doesn't work. And I guess I can do, like, it won't look very good, but it might work fine to put a reader input here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If there is 8 pages, I might be able to double it to 16. Double it to 16. That's a 16. Dang it. Now it's probably not going to work, is it? Look a tutorial on this. I am not very smart. Output red coder. Output red coder Minecraft. Red coder that works with only 8. I'm not smart. Will you help me? Jeff, will you help me make a red coder? Feeling you might have fallen asleep. For now, I'm going to do away with that. I'm going to just use Sublime. Will make input system I needed. Go down or up? The feeling the glass only go the route of having just having big circuits for everything. I might just do that. Where on this layout should I put an input device? I mean, I could put it flush. I'll try to do this. That should work just fine. Shouldn't be too messy, and it can be expanded later if need be. Yeah, that allows that circuit to be crossed over. That allows that circuit to be crossed over like this and still run functionally, or at least that was the hope. Yeah, that. So that allows for further expansion of this circuit. So there is my input system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There. Now, time for probably what is going to be the most difficult part of the whole project, which is the lock to ROM circuit. That's going to be difficult. So I have an output here. Let's start with one lock to ROM circuit to start with. That takes an output from there. Make sure that this is not going to interfere with the rest of the circuit. It's not. So the lock circuit is going to be probably, the lock circuit's definitely going to be 2 blocks. So I need to give this thing plenty of room, which is why I'm turning it so that I can expand it easier. And what this is going to do is it is going to be able to save the values into the ROM that I'm going to build. It's going to be able to save the values into the ROM by locking the states with repeaters, starting from here, bam, 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 and my cat is yelling at me. Give me a second. go. Hello, cat. How's it going? Say hi to the audience. There we go. So, that should... Okay, let's get started. Bam. I'll be able to take... I can't see. No. I hate it when he does that. He just walks over everything. Alright. Bam, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nothing should die. So now, one should output 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that should be able to have, yeah, right. Let's start on this circuit. Lock. This should have proper repeater locking circuit should be in place here. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And I should actually probably color this circuit differently now that I'm thinking about it. I will use... What colors do I have at my disposal? I'll use green for all of the ROM locks. No. Green is going to be for my ROM. So for the locks, I will use purple just because it's similar. Bam, 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 bam. All will be fixed. Hello, cat. Say hi to chat. Oh, you're the silliest cat ever. It can't be on my desk while I am actively trying to do something, please, cat. You're very cute. This is kind of an inconvenience, but it's fine, because it's a cat. So that should be my locking circuit all done. So now, just gotta hook everything up. Alright, so now at the click of this, everything is locked. Let's put in like a... that. I will pulse unlock that. No, cat. Okay, this is gonna be an issue. No. Don't do that. Sorry about that. My cat's being a little goofball. So that just pulsed that. There's that circuit all donezo. So what this will do, I'll actually, let me see if I can attach this in a better way. Like, because there are better ways of doing this. Doing this pulse system. Might not be more efficient. Maybe I should have given this circuit more space to breathe. Probably. Yeah, alright, I think let me come off this side here to come up with a circuit that works. So let's just say of my input and my lock. The lock needs to be there. Input is there. Output. So that's what locks it. What's the best way that I go about this? If I do that, I can then send this using a glass tower. Now that allows me to put it over top. No, it doesn't. Forgot. Oh. That's a solution. That allows me to pulse that really easily. Okay. I need... but I don't actually... Yeah, no, I do. I need... Alright, I'm probably going to end stream soon. I will be back, but not right away. Oh, the thing... Oh, yeah. I only need 2 blocks for this system. And I can probably store it all on the same line, too, if I do it correctly. Just gotta reverse the whole thing. Yeah, why was I going through the trouble of making every single thing a different layer? I didn't have to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I'm not the brightest person ever to live, but that should lock everything. There we go. Hell yes. And all the locking has now occurred in a more condensed area. All into one line. That makes that way easier. And it's still, does it still lock pulse the same? It does. That's handy dandy. Still hold the same value. Alright, time to make a ROM. That is going to be very, very difficult. So expect a lot of sighs and grunts and groans coming from me, because this is going to be very difficult. It'll be very difficult indeed. Should make it run a tad bit better, and we are getting 200 frames. That's pretty good. Time for a ROM circuit. How did I do this one here? It's very messy, but yeah, I see there's a double lock inversion. So let me clear these values. Let's put like one of these values still. Oh. those just flat inputs. Pulse unlocks them. Yeah, okay. Takes all those inputs, pulses them. This just looks way cleaner. So this green circuit will be complicated. It's fine, I'm up for the challenge. Probably see if I can do it red all in this area here. So I need to make a ROM. Let's engineer this. I don't even. Why did I do all this? I don't even know that I need it. I don't know how much space I need. 2 blocks might be enough. Alright, let's engineer a ROM over here. So, let's just have it with 2 inputs. Away from each other. Let's just recreate the system that I have. So, I need to be able to send these through a ROM. So if I do that, lock. Locked. Yeah, that's locked. That's that whole system again. So I need to create a way to store several inputs in an area. I shouldn't focus on making it as small as possible. I need to focus on Alright, I am going to stop stream now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining in. Thanks, bye.